Oh hey, don't mind me, just doing a little light reading. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another CTAC Studios video. I'm Adam Roberts, and today you are in for a treat. I'm going to give you a quick overview of a very innovative product, so stick around. So you saw the title of this video. It's no secret. You know what we're here to talk about. The Vista Pro LED retrofit kits that are designed for existing Hydrel in-grade luminaires. Existing in-grade fixtures are predominantly HID, which as we know, uses a lot of energy and are costly to maintain. Vista Pro is giving us an easy LED retrofit to save you a boatload of energy and money. Let's get into it. There are three models available: the RK91 to be used if the existing in-grade is the 9100 series, the RK94 for existing M9400 luminaires, and the RK97, you guessed it, for the M9700 existing fixture. These Vista Pro LED retrofit kits are designed to be easily installed in existing flow-through housings and are IP68, which means these babies are suitable for continuous immersion in water. So for those of us here in the Northwest, where we are continuously immersed in water, hey, you want to hear a good one? What do you call 2 straight days of rain in Seattle? A weekend. Thank you. I'll be here till Thursday. So IP68 is the way to go. When I walk around, I see so many in-grades that have failed due to water intrusion, and this will not be an issue with the Vista Pro product. So even if water is not flowing through the existing housing as designed, the Optic housing and the driver compartment on these kits are guaranteed for 10 years against water intrusion. Okay, I'll get into some more details. Once you pick your model, you'll need to decide on your distribution. If you've got 4 to choose from, you get a very narrow spot, medium flood, and wide flood. Vista Pro made sure to really deliver on the lumens here. Get it? Deliver lumens. Anyway, the delivered lumens range from 800 all the way to 2000 lumens. In the RK91 and the RK97 lumen packages, you get a range from 1500 to 3000 lumens. That packs quite a punch. On to what I think is the second coolest feature of this retrofit kit. It might be the coolest, you can decide for yourself later. It's the Tilt Optic, which is available in 5, 10, 15, and 25 degrees. This kit is designed with straight up illumination, but the Tilt Optic lens is where the magic happens. If you look into the luminaire, it appears the reflector is tilted, but it's not. The angle is achieved with the Tilt Optic lenses. I told you it was cool. Now, saving the best for last, it's the ability to aim your beam with a simple magnet. So once you place this in the housing, regardless of direction, there's an arrow indicating which way the beam tilt is aiming. And you can take this magnet that's included and simply rotate the optics to the desired direction. And once you release the magnet, that optic lens is fixed and you're on your way. Super cool, am I right? There are 18 finishes available. My personal favorite is mocha. Anyway, multiple driver options, color lenses, and much, much more. Also, these fixtures are made in the USA. If you have any questions, please contact your CTAC Lighting and Controls salesperson for samples and any other information that you need. Thank you for your time, everyone. Have a great day.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos.